So the first thing that needs to happen in preparation for drawing the ramp and the stair is to create some void spaces where they're going to be. Basically, the ramp is going to start at the bottom level here of the base, and it's going to go up to the top of the platform or the top of the base. What I'm going to do is start here. I'm going to go 18 feet in. It's going to rise 18 inches. And remember that the ramp has a ratio of 1 to 12. So for every inch of rise, I have 12 inches of run. And that's why if I have an 18-inch rise, I would have an 18-foot run. So what I'm going to do is go up halfway because my base is 36 inches. So halfway is 18. I'll have a flat landing, and then I'll continue up the remaining 18 inches. So to do this, I have already locked everything in here except for the base. What I need to do in order to manipulate it is to explode it. Before I do that, though, I'm going to add some lines to what I'm drawing here. First, though, let's see, check with the tape measure. I want to know how wide is the space between these two walls because I'm going to go from wall to wall. And you'll notice that it's appearing as a red line, telling me that I'm on axis. And just as a refresher, there's the red axis, there's the green one, and then there's the blue one. If I continue over here, I can see that it's on axis, and it's telling me it's 9 feet 7 inches. So what I'll do for my ramp is I'm going to have a little square area at the top of the ramp. So I'm going to go to the sketching tool here, and I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to input 9 feet 7 inches, and you can see in the lower right-hand corner, dimension is being entered. And now I'm going to come over straight on axis, and I will make a rectangle here. At this point, I'm going to come over, travel over along this edge, again, 9 feet 7 inches, and then I'll bring it back. So as you can see, a surface there has been made. This line right here was just a sort of temporary one. I'm going to click on that and delete it. And now I'm ready to extrude that shape through the base. But before I do that, I have to explode the base. So I've right-clicked on it, and I'm going to click on explode. So when I explode, now it's gone back to how it was originally, where it's just a series of surfaces, right? So right now what I have here is a rectangle sitting at the top of the base, and what I want to do is press pull it. So I'm going to click here. Oops. Let me click here. There it is. You can see it's found the surface. And I'm going to go down with my cursor, and then I'm going to type in 36 inches. Okay, so as you can see, it is kind of made this void condition underneath, like all the way through the base, all right? So that's going to be where the ramp is. And again, I'm going to start low here. It's going to go up halfway, up to 18 inches. It's going to flatten, and then it's going to continue. But before I do that, I'm going to draw the void space for the stair. So I'm going to spin around here so I can look at it from the other side. And pan back a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to cut out this portion right here. First, I'll go to the sketching tool. I'm going to start here, bring it over to the wall, bring it to the end of the wall. 9 feet 7 inches. Let's double check to make sure, did it make that line? Yes, it did. And then I'll go and I'll close it up. All right, so again, there is a surface there, and I'm going to press pull that surface through to the 36 inches, and it should have gone all the way through. Let's check and see if it did in fact do that. It looks like it didn't, so let's redo that. Press pull here, 36 inches. There we go. So I'm not sure what I input previously. Right, so now I've got a slot here for the stair and one for the ramp. Last thing that needs to happen in preparation for this next step is to regroup the base. Now, since I've got everything else locked, I can just make a window around that, right click, make group. I'm going to go up to my entity here and I'm going to put it back on the base. Okay. And we're ready to actually draw the ramp on the stairs.